Welcome to FinPod, your daily financial digest. I'm Evan, and I'm here to help you make sense of the market madness. We're brought to you by FinTwit.ai, your go-to platform for real-time trading signals and stock recommendations. Let's get right into what's moving the markets today. The biggest story is clearly the massive unsolicited bid from GameStop for eBay. GameStop CEO Ryan Cohen is proposing a $55 billion acquisition, but the market is skeptical. GameStop shares dropped about 10% today as investors worry about the heavy dilution and debt required to fund this. Meanwhile, eBay shares jumped over 5% as traders react to the premium offer, though the board has yet to formally respond. Also buzzing is Nebius Group, which is up over 14%. The surge follows the company's announcement that it's acquiring Eigen AI for over $600 million to bolster its AI inference platform. Investors are also riding a wave of momentum from the company's recent AI infrastructure deals, including a partnership with TD SYNNEX. Finally, Circle Internet Group is on a tear, up nearly 20%. This move is driven by a breakthrough in bipartisan compromise on the Clarity Act. By resolving the contentious issue of stablecoin yield, the bill now has a much clearer path to becoming law, which is a huge win for the stablecoin ecosystem. Looking at the broader market, it was a relatively quiet day for the major indexes. The S&P 500 and the Nasdaq finished slightly lower as investors hit pause after a recent run-up, choosing to digest the latest earnings reports rather than chase new highs. There wasn't a major macro data print today, so the focus remained squarely on company-specific catalysts and sector rotation. In the AI economy, the focus is on infrastructure and platform integration. We're seeing companies like Nebius and Palantir lean into the demand for specialized AI compute and software. The trend is clear. It's no longer just about who has the best chips, but who can actually deploy these tools at scale for enterprise and government clients. The capital spending in this space remains aggressive, supporting the valuations of the infrastructure providers. For stocks in focus, besides the ones we've already covered, keep an eye on Diamondback Energy. The stock rose nearly 3% today after the company reported earnings. While they missed on GAAP earnings due to a significant non-cash impairment, their adjusted numbers were strong, and they hiked their dividend and production guidance, which the market clearly liked. On the flip side, Ford saw a decline of over 3% today following their earnings report, as investors scrutinized the performance of their electric vehicle segment despite overall revenue growth. Wrapping up the earnings front, Palantir also reported today, and the results were a major talking point. They beat expectations on both the top and bottom lines, with revenue growth accelerating significantly in their U.S. commercial business. Vertex Pharmaceuticals also reported, beating on both earnings and revenue, while Williams Companies reported record first-quarter results, beating Wall Street's expectations for earnings per share. That's it for today's wrap-up. We covered the wild volatility in GameStop and eBay, the regulatory breakthrough for Circle, and a busy day of earnings across the energy and tech sectors. If you enjoyed the show, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below if there's a specific topic or stock you want me to cover tomorrow. For stock recommendations, visit fintwit.ai. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you tomorrow.